Thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're opening up the April Birchbox. It's a very spring and cute box this month. If I looked a little crazy, I was trying out that Ofra lipstick that I received in my Ofra mystery bag a few days ago. If you guys missed that video, I'll link it down below. I put some gloss over it, so I decided to do a check. So yeah, very bright pink, but whatever. We're going with it today. So today we're going to be unboxing the April Birchbox, and then at the end of the video, I will be reviewing some of the products from the March box. So yeah, Birchbox is $15 for new subscribers. You get pretty much always like deluxe size, like sample size items. Last month we did get a full size item though, so that is great. With Birchbox, every month you get to customize your box if you choose to do so. You could have it be a total surprise, or you can choose out of one of usually 4 curated boxes, so you'll know exactly what is coming. Those curated boxes do sell out really quick. By the time I looked this month, I think they were all sold out. Maybe one of them wasn't. Or you can select one of a few sample choices. They also give you the option to swap your box for a full-size item, which they choose each month. And I think you can even swap out your box to get points for their website. They do have a great website where you can shop. So it's not just a subscription service. They also have a lot of great beauty, hair, skincare, all that stuff, even beauty tools on their website, and they have great sales too. So I am going to leave a referral link for Birchbox down below if you're interested. This link will get you $9 off your first 3 months. And also you can use that link just to browse their website. But anyways, let's get started. So I did just choose one sample, so I don't know everything that is coming. Right when I open the box, this is what I see. It's Birchbox Tip 200. Look for lip products with peppermint oil for a plumping effect. And that is true. A lot of like plumping lip stuff do have that peppermint tingle. So yeah, that's what I was reading from. And on the back, it talks about the products inside. So it looks like we have 5 products. And it gives a short description and gives you the full size pricing. And then we got some pretty green tissue paper. And then here's a sneak peek of what is inside. How about we start with the item I chose? So it's so cute and little. Oh my god, everything's really hot. Right before filming, I went out to my mailbox and grabbed this box, and it's literally in the 90s here. This is by Stila, and this is their Beauty Boss Lip Gloss. So definitely not full size, but you get a decent amount in here. It looks like it's pretty. It's got a little doe foot applicator. Oh, get a text message from Nikki on my iWatch, or Apple Watch, whatever. It smells good, but this is what it looks like. So it's like a sheer pink gloss, a little bit of shimmer in it. So they have a label here that says that Stila is woman founded, go women, and the full size of this gloss would be $15. So I got the Beauty Boss Lip Gloss in Synergy, and it says, we love how hydrating and comfortable this lip gloss is. The light iridescent pink shade gives lips a subtle sheen and adds volume for a plumped effect. I'm excited to try it out. And then we have something here by Taupe Nature Lab Tokyo. I do like this brand. This is Perfect Smooth Blowout Lotion, Color Protectant. So this is 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters, so a pretty big size. Especially for me, I don't use hair products too often because I only wash my hair like once a week, like every 5 days. It says it creates a silk-like hair harmony with this lightweight finishing cream. You apply it to damp hair before blow drying for smooth strands. Apply to dry hair to tame unruly flyaways. Nice. Do I have any right now? Today was hair washing day. So let's learn about this. So the full size is $12, and Nature Lab Tokyo is also a woman-founded brand. It says this lotion creates a protective barrier around hair so it's smooth and easier to style. Apply a dime-sized amount to damp hair and blow dry, or apply dry hair to tame flyaways. Let's just put a teeny bit on my hair. Let's see, is there a safety seal? Yeah, there is a safety seal. Smells pretty good. Yeah, I like that. I think my hair does look better. There were some flyaways, especially with this like humidity and everything in Florida. I've let my hair air dry today too, so I didn't use any products today, all besides shampoo and conditioner and stuff like that. But okay, yeah, I'll definitely use this. I like that it could be used both for damp and dry hair. Moving on, we have something here by Kula. Ooh, I'm excited about this. So this is the Kula 70% organic makeup setting spray. It has sunscreen in it, which is why I'm excited about it. So this is pretty small, but I will save this for days that I know I'm going to be outside. So let's learn a little bit about this. So this is their clean beauty pick. So Kula is a clean beauty brand according to Birchbox. The full size would be $36. This is the SPF 30 organic makeup setting spray. This light mist soothes skin with a cocktail of cucumber and aloe vera extracts and boosts hydration with hyaluronic acid. Plus it also blocks UV rays and sets your makeup too. Awesome, I'm excited to use this. And this is like small that I can like leave it in my bag, so if I'm going like out and about all day, like here in Florida, hopefully, which will happen again soon, I can just spray this to like refresh my makeup and also get a little SPF. So I'm excited to get this. Next up we have something by Arco. So this is a hair company. So Arco High Dye Moisture and Shine Cream. I think they always have really cute packaging. So work through towel dried hair and air dry or blow dry, doubles as a leave-in conditioner. So the full size would be $29. It's formulated to smooth and seal the hair cuticle. This cream softens, fights frizz, and enhances shine. Apply to towel dried hair before styling. So this isn't that exciting. I'd rather only get like one hair product, but it seems like we typically get like 2 hair products per box. But I do use them eventually, usually, so that's fine. And oh wow, the last item in here, it looks like it's an eyeshadow single, and it's from a palette I actually own. So this is by IBY City Limits. This is their Lush eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Road Trip. So I have this palette, but we can look at it. I will pass this on. I love this palette. I think it is great. I think the full-size palette is $20. Let's see, yeah. The City Limits eyeshadow palette, yeah, $20. So this comes us in a little compact here. And it actually is just like the nude matte shade in the palette. I will go get my full-size palette and swatch that because I do not want to swatch this one. I'd rather give this to someone else since I already have it. So here is the full-size palette. You can see mine is very used and dirty. The shade is right up here. I've definitely put a dent in that. I use that as like a transition shade. So it is, or even if you're a little bit deeper than me, you could use it just to set your lid because it is pretty light. But yeah, I love this palette. One of the best, yeah. So it says use this light rose beige shade from the City Limits palette all over your eyelid as a base or for a simple eye look. P.S. It's infused with rosehip seed oil for added softness. I didn't know that's why it was so soft, because it really is like super soft shadows. When I swatch that, like buttery, creamy, love it. So that was everything that came in the April Birchbox. So what am I most excited about? The gloss I definitely will get use out of, and I'm excited about the setting spray by Kula. I'm really excited to try that. I'm not really excited about this Arco product. I did think this Tokyo, or Nature Lab Tokyo, I always want to say Tokyo first, did really help with Flyaways, so I'll probably use it more for that since I don't do blowouts on my hair very often. And this one I will be passing on. So overall, it's not bad, not great, just like an okay box. I thought last month, March's box was really stinking good, so saying that, let's just move on to the review portion of the video. So in March we received 5 products, and I think I have most of them in front of me, right? Yeah, I have all of them in front of me pretty much, and one of the products we received last month was a full-size item. It happened to be an item I already have in my collection, but it is a full-size lip gloss by the brand Floss, and it is in the shade Yule, which is like a clear, slightly tinted pink gloss. I swatch it here. It really is mostly clear. I don't know, you can see it right here. It just like adds a shine. This is a good gloss. I believe I added it in a giveaway, so one of you guys have this now, which is great. So I thought that was really great. They like stepped it up because 2 months ago I was considering canceling Birchbox, my very first subscription box, but because of this item, including a full size and some other things they added, I decided to continue it. So yeah, I was really glad they included this full size item to despite already having it. But next we received a hair product, and I have used this several times. I do like it. Again, I've said this several times, I don't wash my hair too often, but this is by Divines. This is their liquid spell, so this reinforcing bodifying fluid for sensitized or fine hair. So if I blow dry my hair, I put some of this in. It's supposed to like thicken it, and it does seem to give my hair some more volume. It was all the way full when I got it, so you can see I've used it several times. In a month, I only wash my hair several times, really, when you think about it, like every 5 days. So yeah, I actually like this. It's a pretty good size, especially for Birchbox standards, so I was happy with this. We got one other hair care product, which I have not used yet because I have so many of them. This is by Alterna. This is the Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Priming Leave-In Conditioner. I already have some leave-in conditioner open right now, so I have not gotten to this. It's actually like in my travel bin. I don't know when I'll be traveling next, so I was probably going to save it for that, but I will get to this eventually because I do use leave-in conditioner every time I wash my hair. The item I chose this month was a Sunday Riley Luna oil, but it was like the travel size. I don't know where I put the travel size, but I have the full size, which I use a couple times a week. I'm not sure if you could see through this bottle, but you can see I'm almost done with this. I do really like this oil. So it's a next generation retinoid oil that reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. So it's a retinoid product in an oil base, which I think is great because retinol products can be pretty drying, but when it's in an oil, I feel like my skin gets less irritated, so I use this every couple days and I really like it. You guys know I love Sunday Riley, so that was a win. And then the last product was by Wander Beauty. I was happy to get this. This is a Wander Beauty blush. I don't remember what shade this is in. I did use this a couple times. I think you can also use it like on your lips. It is really pretty. So I don't always use cream blushes, but I have dabbled in it recently, so it's right here. It's really pretty. Just on like no makeup type days, I just like put a little bit on, and yeah, I really like it. I love Wander Beauty products. So yeah, last month was a great box. Definitely beat the April box. Yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts. I know a lot of you are like, boo, Birchbox, but like I'm really rooting for them, but I know I have that like loyalty factor. I'm a Taurus. I think that makes me more loyal, right? I don't know. I just can't give it up yet. Also, since I've been subscribed for a long time, I got locked in a little bit of lower price, $13, but do you guys think the April box was worth $13? I don't know. Last month I would say yes, but I don't know about this month, so would love to hear your thoughts down below. But anyways, I thank you guys so much for all being here and watching. I hope you are safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.